This rum butter cornbread is about to steal your whole heart. It's soft, moist, and drizzled with that warm rum glaze that melts into every crumb. It is definitely a crowd pleaser and perfect for your holiday table. In a bowl, whisk together cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg and set it aside. Then here is another secret ingredient. Instead of regular milk, we use coconut milk to take this to the next level. So coconut milk, eggs, vanilla, butter, coconut oil, and whisk that together. Then add all your wet into your dry ingredients and give that a nice mix. Don't overmix. Then I'm just going to butter the dish that I'm using and then pop that in the oven. While it bakes, I will work on my rum butter sauce. To a saucepan, just add butter, sugar, honey, and rum, and that's all you need. Trust us, once that glaze melts into that warm cornbread, you'll understand why this will disappear in minutes. This is definitely a crowd pleaser.